now. Two of them.
That's my bag. Am I about to get attacked by monkeys? So it all started when this guy right here, Alex, gave me a call and asked if I wanted to visit beautiful Costa Rica to visit his brother Cameron.
What's up?
But before we would have Cameron show us around his town, we thought that it would be a good idea to stop by La Fortuna, where the Arenal volcano is, at the Salina hostel, and we could see what that had to offer for us. Alright, so we're packing up. We have already checked out. We are loading up the car. We are finishing up work, and we are going to Cahuita. Cahuita. I'm over-exaggerating though in that, aren't I?
For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
Alright, so we're here in Cahuita. It's pretty flat, but I'm gonna try.
For the record, you ain't trying to go to the stump for the record, lab on me going all the way.
Last time you saw us, we were in La Fortuna, Costa Rica. Came to my brother's little town of Cahuita a couple days ago. Finally wanted to take Connor to a place that I like to look for snakes. I get it, a lot of people don't like snakes, all good. I have.
You've been struggling.
Go find some snakes.
Whew. So we were just walking through. Some black cow just following us. And apparently he was meeting up with his buddies here who broke out of their fence. Waiting for this fine man to put them back in the fence. You ever feel like someone's watching you?
This is a bullet ant. They get their name from the fact that apparently a bite or sting from them, I should say, is akin to being shot.
All right, so we just finished up hiking through the Cahuita.
Talamanca Mountains.
Talamanca Mountains?
Talamanca.
We'll just sign off for this.
Bye!
All right, first find of this trip, snake-wise. Snail sucker. Non-venomous, they actually grab the snails and they will suck them from out of their little snail shell. Time to find some more.
Snails are what cloudy snail suckers eat. Is it a cloudy one?
Nope.
And somehow managed to pull off a double-hander.
With the trip coming to a close, we decided that we would end it with going to the nearby national park. Stress about all this gear? Only a lot. That's my bag. That's my bag. You ain't gonna find nothing. That's how to use zippers. Oh my god. Oh shit. Am I about to get attacked by monkeys?
Please stop. I've never been so scared of tiny people.
Monkey Wars 2018, Cahuita National Park.
Oh my god. That was crazy. Just went through a monkey robbery attempt by a mafia of monkeys. We didn't think they could use zippers. Pretty lucky right now that my camera gear isn't either stuck up in a tree or thrown into the ocean. We are lucky enough to have a cookie man appear and save the day. He was our ex machina of this trip. Thank you, sir. And more so, thank you, cookies. That's it for us. Goodbye. Hey, Alice, I'm gonna miss you so much. Hi, Pepper, I barely know you, but you're cute too. It's been awesome.
Yep, it's been amazing, guys.
Thank you so much for having us. Video, we got our bus ticket. We got one more night here. We're staying in the city of San Jose and flying back to Atlanta. So we're gonna end this video with a little bit of B-roll, leaving Cahuita, making it all the way back to Atlanta. So hit that button right there. Hit this button, which is actually below the video. Hit that like button, share it. That'd be sweet if you had a good time. Here's that B-roll I promised you. We're out of here. Like, subscribe, and have a great life, y'all. See ya. We're out. That could not have been better.
Bye, guys.